Hello everybody, my name is Rachel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I am going to be filming behind the scenes footage of my first serious YouTube video that I posted a couple weeks back. The reason being, I had no experience in filming, editing, lighting, sound, like there was just so much going on. The learning curve is very high. Now, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos that talk about how to grow your channel, how to get more subscribers, and this and that, and how to become popular, and how to blow up on the internet. But not a lot of them talk about taking the first step to actually make quality content. And I'm not saying that my content is quality because I still think I'm really awkward on camera, but since I was figuring everything out on my own, I made a lot of mistakes. But I actually think making mistakes is a good thing because you're so frustrated that you don't want to go through the pain of making a mistake again. I wanted to film this video for anyone that was looking to start their YouTube channel for the first time but didn't know how to start. Hopefully you can learn something from my mistakes, and if you need a sign to start your YouTube channel, here's the sign. Cue motivational speech. That was the motivational speech, so never mind. Well, hope you feel motivated, and we're gonna get started. So here's a quick overview of all the equipment that I used for my first video. Starting with the camera, I have a Canon 70D with a kit lens that came with the camera. I also used a wide angle lens so I could film all of my full body shots. I have a Comica plug-in microphone, a GorillaPod tripod that can hold DSLR cameras, a condenser microphone, and the recording interface to plug it into. I also use a MacBook Pro, which is my favorite computer ever. I've been using it for years. And I use Final Cut Pro in order to edit all of my footage. And for lighting, I have the newer ring lights that I bought off of Amazon. So here's a funny little hack that I've been using recently. My friend watched my video and told me that the lighting was too harsh on my face, and one way to fix it for free was to take a giant white plastic bag and throw it over the diffuser so that the lighting would be really soft and delicate. I don't know how safe it is just because the light does get hot and it could melt plastic, but no problems here, not yet. So my first video is going to be fall outfits using your dad/boyfriend's clothes. In my case, it's my dad's. Thanks, Dad. So now that I have the idea finalized in my head, it's time to plan outfits. It took me about 2 or 3 hours to finalize 6 outfits, but I know I wanted at least 5 because I thought that would be enough variety for everyone to like at least one of them. And I wanted to go for different styles like preppy, sporty, cute, and professional in a way, just so everyone has a different mix of outfits and it caters to everyone's style. Good morning! Today is filming day. Now, even though I slept in at around noon and got out of bed at 2, we're gonna film. And I know I look really sloppy right now, but I'm gonna put on some hair, some makeup, and we're gonna get to the filming process. First things first, I'm going to get started with some tea, go into the bathroom, and use this as my studio. Now that I'm looking semi-decent and not wearing my robe anymore at 2 p.m., I am going to put on my hair and makeup. Hair down, glasses off. You're automatically hot. Just kidding. Still can't see, damn it. Now as I'm getting ready, I wanted to do a quick breakdown on all the money that I spent on equipment. I spent about $750 for the Canon camera, $175 for the lens, $40 for the mic, $80 for the tripod, $100 for another mic, $160 for a receiver, and then finally $80 for the ring light, which brings me to a total of about $1,400 on equipment. So the total retail value is about $1,400, but I spent only half that amount just because I bought used items from Facebook and eBay instead. And I ended up getting the mic and receiver for $50 from a friend. Now I truly believe you don't have to spend a lot of money, especially when you're starting out, but if you know how to price shop around, or just use what you got, then I think you can still make quality content on a budget. But with that, my glow up is finished and it's time to film. Look at my hair, I love it when it's curled. I have officially finished my hair and makeup, so it's time to film, even though I'm filming right now, but you know what, it's time to film, let's go! Forgot the camera in here. I really hope you guys enjoyed my first YouTube video. I will be coming out with more, but please like, comment, and blah, blah, blah. I swear I'm so awkward on camera that it takes me 30 minutes to film 30 seconds. Does anyone else have this problem? Hello everybody, I am currently on step number, I don't know, I kind of lost track on this because it's a lot of steps for this process. I've already finished editing the video and made all the little cuts that I needed to do, and so now I am recording the voiceover. I found out that my college has an editing studio that you can rent out, so I'm here right now and I am just figuring out how to record a video and make the sound as crispy clear as possible. Let me give you a tour of this little editing studio because I'm going to be spending a lot of my time here. So this is how the editing studio looks. It doesn't look the best, but it's definitely usable. It comes with a Macintosh, and this one's really cool because it includes Adobe After Effects, Photoshop, and Lightroom, and that's great because I can save money and I don't have to subscribe to it. I did bring my laptop though, so I'm not going to be using this as much as I had hoped. There is some speakers and a mixing board as well. They do have a weird mismatch of chairs over here. I'm using these ones the most because it doesn't make any noise. This one's terrible for recording sound. I don't even know why that's here. So I'm sitting over here in my editing chair, and I'm already reviewing the video that I finished cutting, and I'm just watching it without sound so I can figure out what I want to say and where I want to say it. So as I'm watching the video, I do have a script on hand, and then I end up taking the microphone and recording it as I'm watching it so that the timing ends up being really good. I do think a script helps a lot when recording voiceovers because I ended up stuttering a lot and it took me at least 3 or 4 takes per segment in order to get it down. But I think if I had the script done beforehand, I could have the timing of the video be a lot better with whatever I'm narrating. Hello everybody, this is my test run with the microphones. Hello everybody, we're using another microphone. We're gonna test out how this goes on. I don't know what the difference is, but we're really gonna hope that this is better. Hello everybody, this is my microphone Comica, and we're going to see what the quality difference is between this, the headphones, and the monitor. Side note, I bought this mic after filming the video, and this is by far my favorite one. It's about double or triple the price, but I think it's worth it, especially if we're gonna use it in the long run. So yeah, after testing all 3 microphones, I have to say the one that I bought off of Amazon for 40 bucks is the best one, and it's attached to my camera right now. The second one is the MacBook Pro built-in microphone that's in the computer. That one's okay. It does pick up a little bit of noise, but it's still pretty usable, honestly. And the last one is the Apple headphones. Those are terrible. It sounds super muffled. I now know why people sound so muffled on the phone, because it's the microphone built in. It is so bad. If you really don't have any other options and you don't want to buy anything else, use your monitor's built-in one more than the headphones. So these ones are a no-go. Don't use them ever. I would recommend to invest in a good microphone, and if you can't, just use the one that's off of your monitor. I think that one's a lot better. After 2 hours, I finally got a voiceover down, and this is how it sounds. And I threw in some gold dangling earrings too. This is definitely time-consuming stuff, but it's fun at the same time. I feel like if you didn't think this was fun, you probably shouldn't spend a lot of hours on this, but I'm really enjoying it. But I know in the end, after a couple more days, I'll be able to post it and it'll all be worth it. But with that, I have finally finished my voiceovers. I did about 242 takes for the voiceover for 6 minutes of content. I got really frustrated. It took me 3 days, but I did not give up, and I finally got the desired result that I really wanted. Whew, that was a long one. This entire thing took 2 whole weeks for me to film and edit. But you know what? It's worth it. It's uploaded onto the internet, and it's going to shine like my newborn baby. Like, yeah, weird analogy. I am super excited to be part of this new YouTube community, so if anyone else is starting their channel, feel free to leave a comment on my video and I will go and click on your channel as well and leave a comment for support. Let's leave a comment to the YouTube algorithm gods and grow our channels together. So if any of you are also new, go ahead, don't be shy. I'm a little shy on camera, but it's all good. We're all starting at the same place. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you next time.